Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Unboxed here at the VaporDNA studios. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Asvape Defender. So here, it comes in a nice box, as you can see. We're going to open up the lid here, and the first thing that we notice is they got this really nice Defender plaque. It seems to be made out of a stainless steel. And on the back, what looks like instructions for the device. So that's pretty cool. I haven't seen that yet with another device, and it's a nice touch. Underneath it, we have an Asvape cloth, so you can clean off your device, wipe it off. And then here is a beautiful device, the Defender. So it's got this really cool logo on the front, an engraving, what looks like two eagles, and the Asvape logo on top. It's got a nice sleek design. As you can see, it's a matte. This finish is a matte black, and the edges and overall feel really nice, really sturdy. We got the fire button dead set in the center of the device so that you can fire it with either your index finger or your thumb. Moving to on top, we have the mouthpiece, and this is where you're going to vape from. And if we flip it over, we can see here on the side we have a USB port for charging. If we open it up, we see Defender right here, and another Asvape logo. And then this is where the tank section is. So as you can see, it's got a tank right here, and at the bottom is where the coil is located. So this actually comes out. You could simply just pull it out like this. This is going to be the tank. It's 3.5 mils of juice that it holds. Here is the fill port for your juice that just pops open. The coil seats right in the middle, and it's actually got a really nice simplistic design. So you can simply pop the coil out, and it's just your standard sub-ohm coil. I believe it's very similar to the coil for the Asvape Cobra, and it's going to be a 0.3 ohm stainless steel coil. So here's the tank section, and to reinsert the coil, it's real simple. You have the hole at the bottom of the tank, and the coil is just going to slide in to the bottom like that and just clicks into place. You can then take the tank assembly, and it fits right back in right here, and you can feel that the connection tabs at the bottom push in, and the tank just slides in like that and clicks into place. It's also held in by a grommet up here at the top, which can be taken out for cleaning. Another feature of the Defender is the on and off system that it has. It's got this indication light on the inside of the front plate, right underneath the tank system. If you click the fire button 3 times fast, the device will vibrate, as well as going through a few colors, letting you know that the device is on or off. The cover just goes back on like this, and you'll feel it click into place, and then there's no more wiggling or anything like that. So let's take a look at what else comes in the box. We can lift up this portion right here. Inside, we got a USB cord, some extra O-rings. These are going to be used for the coil itself. If you happen to lose any O-rings around the section of the tank where the coil goes into, you can refit these back in. Alright, so the last thing that we have here in the box is another 0.3 ohm Ni-80 coil. And this is everything that comes with the Defender. Alright, so that was an up-close look at the Asvape Defender. Overall, I think this device is really good looking. It feels good in the hand. I really like the button that's on the back or the front, whichever way you prefer. It's not bulky, and generally speaking, it's pretty slim. If you're interested in the Asvape Defender, feel free to check out the links below in the description. In my opinion, I really like the sleek design of the device, and overall just the all-in-one type feeling that you get with the Defender. Feel free to check it out today. Thanks for joining us on another episode of Unboxed. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more videos and drop us a like. We're going to be doing these videos quite often, so feel free to come back for more unboxings.